Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about information about can. Can is a modal verb. We discuss about that. Do you like this video? Please like, share and subscribe our channel. First, I use of can to indicate that someone is able to do something. To indicate that someone is able to do something. Use of can. Rule is subject plus can plus verb 1 plus object. Let's see the example. She can run very fast. She can speak 3 languages fluently. The software can handle multiple tasks simultaneously. I can do it. Next one, when we take permission. When we ask permission, how can use can? First one, can I borrow your pen for a moment? Can I sit here? Can we talk once? Can you give me your contact number? Next, can be. When we use can be, let's see the examples. This book can be very helpful for your research. Success can be achieved through hard work and dedication. Next, negative sentence. Can plus not, can't. Let's see the examples. I cannot waste my time. We cannot do it. I cannot make a decision. She cannot attend the meeting because she has a prior engagement. Thank you for watching guys. Do you like this video? Please like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.